If you really take a step back, there's somebody wanting to share an inspiration. They want to share an energy. They want to transmit love in the way that they know how. Live events are so special because of community. There's something special about community and humans experiencing something at the same time. So it doesn't really matter if you're on stage and you're speaking, if you're one of the speakers, you've overcome something. You've overcome a fear. You have a specialized knowledge that you want to share. If you really take a step back, there's somebody wanting to share an inspiration. They want to share an energy. They want to transmit love in the way that they know how. And people in the audience, they're coming to get educated. Even if they're already experienced, you can always pick up little things from speakers that you can improve upon what you're already doing. You know, you can, I think it was Emerson said, you can learn from everybody, even the homeless person on the street. And the biggest thing that's so special that I love to observe is just people believing in themselves a little bit more. Right? People walk in, I mean, we all beat ourselves up. We all tend to beat ourselves up, and it's not a good or bad thing. It's just what it is. Right. And if somebody can show up and one of the speakers says one sentence that gives them that little pearl of wisdom, that little golden nugget, that they can leave like, wow, I can do that, right? Or I can fulfill or follow through on that project I've been procrastinating on. Or it's okay to self-express. That's the most important thing. I don't think it's, I can't bring it down to one actual element that is a great cause. There's just so many. I think one of the difficulties is really identifying what that is that God put you on this earth to go do. Most people think they need to have their purpose now. They need to have their why now. Seth Godin says, most people say, when I'm passionate, I'll go to work. It was a cool podcast with Seth Godin and Aubrey Marcus. Well, if you go to work, then you'll get passionate. So many people are waiting for that purpose to hit them over the head. Oh, I found my purpose. Now I can take off. Well, right. What if you have multiple purposes on this planet? What if you just got to move your feet and pray a little bit and just allow what it is you're here to do to kind of be self-discovered while you're already on the path. Any inspiration coming from a speaker to the person in the audience that is going to give them a better self-image of how they look at themselves to take action in any form or fashion, that to me is a dynamic that just blows me away.
Thanks for listening to a podcast with interesting people. Please subscribe and leave a review or comment.
And support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. And for more information, visit us at apodcast.com. Thanks.